Hi, my hair is wet right now. It's not usually this flat. I just wanted to get that out the way. But if you are someone who eats ice, like I was, and like I still might do in different ways, there are a few reasons why you should stop chewing ice, straight ice. And there's a few reasons why you might be an ice chewer. For me, once I stopped biting my nails, I picked up the habit of eating ice instead. Also, I have been someone who grinds their teeth at night in my sleep. Like sometimes I'll wake up and my jaw is hurt. I'm like, ooh, something happened. Something's bothering me, which is part of why people chew ice. In the Bible, it talks about gnashing of teeth. And gnashing of teeth is pretty much what it sounds like, right? Like your teeth just gnashing together. And it's pretty much a symptom of negative emotions that we feel, and when we're in a state of negative being, in a state of negativity. And so the first way to combat chewing ice and get out of this bad habit is to figure out what exactly is causing this for you and to take a break from it. Stop eating ice for a day or for a week. And those moments which you really want to chew it, those moments in which you really want to chew it, don't. But recall what brought that recall what triggered it for you. What triggered you wanting to eat ice? Because that's gonna guide you into how to stop. You're gonna basically turn whatever made you want to eat ice into your superpower. So say you thought about, oh, I got so much homework to do, or I got so much work to do, and that made you want to chew on some ice and maybe made you anxious. Turn that into something powerful. Like, okay, when I'm done doing this work, I'm gonna get myself some ice cream. When I am doing my work, I'm gonna listen to music and I'm gonna take breaks and have a dance party. Do whatever is gonna make that thing more pleasurable for you. And another way to stop eating ice is to just transition yourself off of it, which is basically where I am now. I don't chew ice anymore, the actual ice, because I just didn't want that habit. I went to the dentist and he basically was like, your jaw is very strong. And I was like, ooh, I don't know if I really want that. And also he let me know that chewing ice can break your teeth over time because you're constantly putting that pressure on your teeth, which can cause cracks in your teeth over time. And I do not want cracked teeth. So I was like, all right, we gotta stop this habit. Although it feels good, there's ice that tastes good. And there's some people who can eat ice and not be constantly eating ice and just enjoy the ice when they want to, but I'm not that person. If I eat ice, I'm gonna be eating the ice. Funny story, it was winter and I was going into Target, and as I was entering, there was a woman who was entering as well, and she was starting her shift, and there was a security guard there. And he said to the woman, he was like, is this cold outside? Are you eating ice? Because she had a cup of ice in her hand and she was crunching on that ice. And I really was like, I feel that. I understand that. It doesn't matter the weather. If you want to eat ice, it's going to be eaten if you're a person who likes to eat ice. And so I've been replacing ice with things that I can eat that are a normal thing to eat. Also, more reasons why you may chew ice. People say iron deficiency and things like that. You might have a mineral deficiency, and so your body is trying to get sustenance from something else, and it all basically coincides together. If something is bothering you, it's probably going to manifest in the physical realm in some way, such as an iron deficiency, leading you to go and chew ice. It's all connected. But get those treats that are acceptable to eat, such as ice cream, slushies, really cold smoothies, sorbet, acai bowls, popsicles, ice pops, those things. And then on top of that, if I really want to chew some ice, or like just have something to chew, bite down on, I will eat some frozen fruit, and I'll make the fruit a fruit that's not extremely frozen, like super hard. Mangoes are pretty good for that. They aren't super hard if they're, fresh, good mango. And so I'll chew on some mango as a little snack, but I don't get ice and chew it. Take away any of the things that may trigger you. You have an ice tray that's specifically for you chewing ice, get rid of that. I had an ice maker. I had to get rid of that because I was making ice just to chew it. And get rid of any triggers, right? What else? If you have a certain time of day where you notice, like, okay, you make your little cup of ice and eat it, make something else, get something else, right? Do what you can to make this bad habit stop. So look into what's causing you to feel the need to seek that nourishment from ice, to do whatever to your nervous system that chewing the ice is doing for you. Fix it somewhere else. Meditate, journal, yoga, jumping jacks, stretching, so many things. Read a book, buy a plant, and stop eating ice because it's not really good for your teeth. And people would tell me that, and then there would be some people who were like, yeah, it's just water. And those people who say it's fine, it's just water, I would love them, but really I should have been listening to those other people and stopped earlier, because the earlier you stop, the better. It'll be easier to stop. Peace out.